Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Griddle Accessories Kit is probably one of the most essential additions to your outdoor cooking setup, transforming your grilling experience from ordinary to extraordinary. This comprehensive kit is designed to elevate your flat-top cooking game, whether you're a seasoned griddle master or just starting out. Join me as we dive into the world of griddle accessories, exploring the must-have tools and features that will take your culinary creations to the next level. Number 5. Griddle Accessories Kit, Blackstone and Camp Chef. This complete griddle tool set includes everything you need for a perfect cookout. It comes with spatulas, turners, scrapers, and more, all designed to make your grilling experience easier and more enjoyable. Made from durable stainless steel, this set is built to last. The tools are rust-resistant and designed to withstand high heat, ensuring they'll be a reliable part of your grilling setup for years to come. From spatulas for flipping burgers to scrapers for cleaning, this set has it all. These essential tools will help you dice food, scrape the griddle clean, and handle all your grilling needs with ease. Cleaning up after your barbecue is a breeze. The tools are dishwasher safe, or you can easily wash them by hand with soap and water. Just make sure to dry them thoroughly to keep them in top condition. Looking for a great gift? This griddle set is perfect for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. It's an ideal present for Father's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas, and it's sure to be a hit with any grilling enthusiast. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of tools, ensuring you have everything needed for any griddle cooking task. The stainless steel construction guarantees longevity and resistance to rust. If you are looking for a complete and durable set, this is a great choice. With this set, you can enjoy hassle-free barbecues with your family. What people say. This 14-piece kit includes a variety of spatulas, scrapers, and other essential tools, each made from high-quality stainless steel that feels sturdy and well-balanced in hand. One standout feature is the kit's resistance to rust and wear. The spatulas have sharpened edges like the edge of a knife, but not as sharp, which allows you to easily get under pancakes, eggs, etc. without breaking them. Number 4. Joyfair 18PCS Griddle Accessories Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for outdoor grilling. It's perfect for making burgers, teppanyaki, and more. This kit is a wonderful gift for any cooking enthusiast. The spatulas are made of heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The handles are heat-resistant and designed for comfortable use. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The set includes 5 versatile spatulas for flipping, transferring, and cutting food. The handles are securely riveted for long-lasting use. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle different foods. The kit features a cheese melting dome and a cast iron grill press. The melting dome is perfect for covering multiple patties and veggies. The grill press helps distribute heat evenly. It also comes with squeeze bottles, a pepper mill, and egg rings. The squeeze bottles help you distinguish sauces. The pepper mill provides a fine grind for your spices. The carry bag stores all the tools perfectly. What we like. This kit includes a wide array of accessories, offering great value for your money. The spatulas are made of heavy-gauge stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. If you are looking for a professional-grade griddle experience, this set is perfect. It will meet most cooking needs, ideal for outdoor barbecue and burger making. What people say. The high-quality stainless steel construction of the accessories not only looks sleek but also withstands the heat and rigors of griddle cooking. The assortment of spatulas, scrapers, and tongs make flipping, turning, and maneuvering food a breeze. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, and the hanging loops keep my tools organized and easily accessible. Number 3. Aofmee 19PCS Griddle Accessories Kit. Want to impress your friends and family? This kit has everything you need to become a grilling master. It includes all the essential tools for a perfect outdoor barbecue experience. This comprehensive set includes spatulas, tongs, a basting cover, and more. It's a complete arsenal for any griddle enthusiast, making cooking easy and enjoyable. Made with premium stainless steel and quality materials, this set is durable and rust-proof. The comfortable, non-slip grip ensures that it won't slide out of your hand while you are cooking. From breakfast to burgers, this kit enhances your griddle experience. It's perfect for backyard cooking, camping, or everyday use. You can cook a variety of foods with it. Looking for a great gift? This stylish stainless steel kit is ideal for any griddle lover. It's a fantastic present for Father's Day or any occasion, and it's also a great treat for yourself. Get the best out of your grilling time with the right tools. This versatile kit meets all your needs, and it comes with an unconditional money-back guarantee. You can't go wrong with it. What we like. This kit is designed for professional use, making you feel like a true barbecue pro. The stainless steel construction and quality composite materials ensure durability and rust resistance. If you are looking for a versatile set for various cooking needs, this is the one. It will enhance your griddle experience, from breakfast to burgers. What people say. I bought a Blackstone and this was perfect for that use. Very nice addition to my Blackstone. It has everything you would need. Great quality and so many accessories included. Number 2. Leonyo 22-piece Griddle Accessories Set. This set features food-grade stainless steel tools, ensuring they are rust-proof and durable. The polished surfaces are non-stick and easy to clean. The wooden handles provide a comfortable grip and are built to last. The spatulas have beveled edges for easy food handling on the flat-top grill. The perforated spatula helps drain excess grease. This set is perfect for various cooking tasks, from steaks to seafood. Included are a graduated chopper and crinkle cutters for versatile food preparation. 14 hooks are provided for convenient storage. A carry bag is included to keep everything organized. The set includes a 9-inch basting cover, perfect for covering multiple patties. The meat fork and locking tongs make it easy to handle food. It's ideal for outdoor kitchens, camping, and teppanyaki grilling. You'll receive 22 pieces, including various spatulas, a melting dome, squeeze bottles, egg rings, and more. This comprehensive set has everything you need for a great grilling experience. It's a complete package for any griddle enthusiast. What we like. This set features heavy-duty stainless steel spatulas and a melting dome, ensuring durability and rust resistance. The crafted design includes beveled edges for easy cutting and turning. If you like to have all the tools in one place, this set is for you. It comes with a carry bag to neatly store all the tools. What people say. The whole kit is nice and all the spatulas are perfect and make chopping meat or flipping multiple pieces of meat easy as ever. The handles are solid, the metal is thick, the edges are sharp. This has everything one could possibly need to cook on griddle. Number 1. Modern Innovations Griddle Breakfast Kit. Looking for the perfect gift? This griddle breakfast kit has everything you need. It's designed to help you create a delicious American-style breakfast. Included is a BPA-free pancake batter dispenser. It helps you fry a perfect pancake or crepe every time. Simply fill it with batter and squeeze the handle to dispense. This kit also includes a cast iron bacon press. With even heat retention and a stylish wooden handle, it makes cooking bacon or burgers an art form. Our steel griddle rings are non-stick. Crack your egg directly into the ring for the perfect omelet. The handle stays cool, ensuring easy and safe use. A silicone spatula is included to flip all your breakfast foods with ease. This makes cooking and serving simple. All the accessories are dishwasher safe. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for breakfast, offering a unique set of tools. The pancake batter dispenser helps you fry perfect pancakes every time. If you like to make breakfast on your griddle, this is the perfect choice. It will help you create a decadent American-style breakfast. What people say. My man was impressed with the quality. I was able to prepare a full pancake breakfast for 6 people on a single electric grill. All of the items worked flawlessly and the cleanup was a snap. Egg shapes are great to have. Make a lot of breakfast sandwiches and these are perfect size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.